You see this guy right here? This is a luxury RV from Europe, but look at how small it is. This thing is already shaking up the US RV industry. Take a look at this. All right, so it looks like this is the propane tank. Nice little apartment here. And I saw somebody else try to do this earlier, and apparently if you lock the doors, it locks this so it won't open. So that's pretty nifty. Neat looking paint on it. One thing I've noticed right away is, look at this, there is no lines. You can't see where the chassis and the bed are separated. I like that. Looks like one solid piece of construction. So it's a Ram ProMaster. Ooh, look at this. That's a nice sized possum belly. Looks like your poles are over there. So that answers that question. There's pull tabs, so it's not gonna be a cassette toilet. This is probably your fuel, yeah. And that's the Truma hot water heater outlet. Oh, and there's a cassette. Ooh, we also have another dump back here. Now I'm getting confused with a hose. Look at that. All one solid piece construction. Even got an awning on the top of it across here. Man, this is nice. Little trash right by the door, so it's easy to take in and out. I like that. All right, it's full inside, so we'll go inside in just a second. This thing's popular. There's been a line since the show opened. We're gonna try a third attempt now to see if we can get in to see the inside of this. First thing I noticed is they got a nice screen door right at the front that's hidden. I really like that. That is a good design. You can't even see it's there, but it works well. Ooh, and a control unit right above. I wonder what, wonder whose that is. It could be proprietary, it could be on their own. Let's look at the bathroom. Wet bath. But yeah, look at this. There's actually enough room in here. Doesn't really even have to be a wet bath. That's not bad. I don't know if the camera's doing this justice. You see the mirrors with storage even. This is actually one of the nicer wet baths that I've seen before. I can do this. I think this thing's 17 feet long, and this is going to be the dinette / table with seatbelts on it. Very nice. See the indirect lighting here? Storage underneath. Oh, look up here. So there's your bed. Bed comes right down. And this is actual demonstration of the bed. Look at that. Nice. And you wouldn't happen to know how much that holds, would you? Weight-wise?
770 pounds.
So it might hold me. And that's all you got to do. You just pull it down, it's done, right? You attach the ladder. And
attach the ladder, or use the bench to climb up, and then to pull it back up. And you also get 2 skylights up here.
Oh, wow.
Storage over here. It goes all the way across on both sides. You also get control panels for your lights. Over there.
Oh yeah, I see the pad right there.
And I can be down here.
And then he can fit here.
Yeah, you can have another bed on the floor. And actually, now that you mention that, this goes down into a bed as well, right?
Exactly. So that cushion that you saw, the extra cushion, the little mattress,
goes there.
Goes on top. This table goes down, and you put the mattress over, and then you'll have a whole bed for one person or one person, one child.
Yeah. Fantastic. 2 top burner on this side. One of those marine refrigerators. Oh, it's not. Just looks like it. Very nice. So the drawers, standard construction, screw and glue. Oh, they cut it out so it can fit the sink. That's pretty neat. I like the buttons. I like how they lock and move. Okay. So I got this drawer. Nice. The window here opens up so you can get air, and you got a nice screen too that you can pull down. I like how that's hidden. You don't see it as easily. Is that a lock? Oh yeah, oh, look at that, look at that. See how the handle works. So you pull down and then up to open it. Fantastic. Oh, reading light up there that's on. And here's the command center. Ooh, what does that do? You can control the lights and everything. That's nice. Look at that. Ooh. So this is looks like a ProMaster van. Nice screen built in, LED. Push the start button. Phone chargers on each side. Some kind of, I don't know if it's OnStar, but like SOS and assist menu. Part of the bed. Well, this is really nice because it is a small unit, but you can take it pretty much anywhere. Ooh, decent sized amount of storage there. I love this. I don't know if that's a magnet or, oh, it's a magnet. Look at that.
It is official. The U.S. Wingamm Oasi 540.1s have arrived in America. And deliveries to customers are starting now. It is with great privilege that I introduce you to the vision behind the most beautiful compact motorhomes in the world, Wingamm CEO Lorena Torre.
Thank you, Tony. Hello, everybody. Good morning. Welcome. We are extremely happy to be here today and to have the possibility to announce the official arrival of our Oasi 540 in the U.S. It is a great privilege for us. It's been a long path, but we've done it. We got the certification. The vehicles are U.S. compliant today, so we can absolutely start great production and the delivery to U.S. Thank you very much for being here, and hope to meet you in the next days at the show. Thanks so much. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
I have great teams at home, my Italian teams. They made a great job this year. It was really a big achievement. And then a great team, a super team in the U.S. as well. I'm really very happy. And
Thank you.
thankful. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so.
guys.
Thank you, Lorena. Thank you. Hold on. We got a surprise for everybody. I know that everyone here can. There's an endless list of the difference between Wingamm and every other Class B motorhome that you're going to see here at Tampa or in America. But we thought, for the purpose of the cameras, there's something that's very exciting. A demonstration of the difference between the Wingamm and every other Class B motorhome in America. Okay, all the cameras are close. Can you guys see? Come on closer. Come up. Because you got to see that there's no dent when I smash what is the side of a Wingamm Oasi 540.1. This is fiberglass, which is what the Wingamm 540.1 is made of, and I'm going to hit it with a hammer very, very hard, and you'll see there won't be any dent.
Ow, that hurt me.
I'll go again.
Wow.
Oh, wrong side? Okay. Now, every motorhome made in America.